If I may ask, how is it going with your Ethereum holdings? Following the approval of several spot Bitcoin ETFs early this year on January 10, attention has now been shifted to the various spot Ethereum ETF filings made by firms such as ARK, VARK, VanArk, BlackRock, and Fidelity. Well, in today's video, we will be exploring the price predictions on ETH made by prominent individuals. Curious about the futures of Ethereum in 2024? Standard Chartered appears to have some insight on this matter. Given the approval of spot Bitcoin's ETF on January 10 and the existence of future trading for Ethereum on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, Standard Chartered anticipated that the same process of approval for spot Ethereum ETFs. Geoff Kendrick, the head of digital assets research at Standard Chartered, has made the predictions regarding the approval of Ethereum spot ETF applications by the SEC. According to Kendrick, the deadline for the ETF ruling is on May 23, 2024. Kendrick predicted that ETH would reach $4,000 by May 23, 2024, mirroring Bitcoin price movement leading up to its ETF approval. These predictions, though, relies on the market's perception of low approval chances and the SEC granting approval to several applications simultaneously, much like the 10 Bitcoins ETFs on January 10. It's intriguing to know that Kendrick anticipates Ethereum to steer clear of the price drop that typically follows the approval of an ETF, similar to what happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin experienced a significant drop by 20% following the approval of ETF. This decline was triggered by the sale of billions of shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust (GBTC) as investors sought out funds with more favorable fees. As a result, GBTC witnessed outflows exceeding $3.3 billion. According to Kendrick, the less amount of ETH controlled by Grayscale Ethereum Trust in relation to its total market cap compared to GBTC suggests that Ethereum may be more resilient than Bitcoin in the event of sell-off following ETF approval. Now, we will take a closer look at the insight provided by the analyst at VanArk regarding Ethereum. In May 2023, VanArk published a report that included an ETH price prediction and explained the approach of valuing ETH. They relied on cash flow projections related to Ethereum's revenue. The article presents Ethereum as a platform where users can engage with various businesses created using smart contract code. All within the realm of digital transactions. On Ethereum, the so-called revenue is generated through transaction fees, such as gas fee. These fees, including the base fee and the tip fee, are paid by users of various actions on the platform. The report also examines the transaction charges that users incur when engaging with dApps across different chains, including DeFi, Metaverse, gaming, and infrastructure. By projecting the cash flow based on the economic activity on Ethereum blockchain, analysts have made revenues estimates for Ethereum future up to 2030. VanArk analysts have made three predictions on the price of ETH by the year 2030, considering its tokenomics and fully diluted valuation. Assuming Ethereum becomes the leading global settlement network and hosts a significant amount of commercial activity from blockchain technology-driven business sector, 11,848,000 per ETH by year 2030. In a scenario that leans towards optimism, the projected value of ETH in 2030 is $51,000. On the other hand, a more pessimistic outlook suggests the value of $343 for ETH in 2030. According to JP Morgan's Managing Director, Nicholas Antigulazzo, the forthcoming Kakon upgrade is expected to have a significant impact on Ethereum performance in 2024. The Kakon upgrade set for March 2024 introduces proto-dank shading to enhance Ethereum transaction and throughput and lower cost for gas. According to JP Morgan's analyst, ETH is projected to surpass Bitcoin in performance by 2024 and potentially reach 8,000 by 2026. Those familiar with crypto space are well aware of Arthur Hayes, the co-founder and former CEO of BitMEX. In mid-December 2023, Hayes shared on Twitter that he had received a message that inspired him to make some changes. He decided to let go of Solberg and express his admiration to Vitalik by investing in ETH. He expressed his belief in a 5,000 ETH price target. I find this very interesting as Hayes had actually shared his optimistic views on Solana in a tweet back in early December. Well, I think it is understandable to question the $5,000 price target when it's suggested by someone like Arthur Hayes. In November 2023, Arthur Hayes shared a tweet where he mentioned receiving a message from the ancestor in Easter Island. According to him, the bull market is set to begin in November 2023, and he predicts that Bitcoin will reach $1 million, while ETH will hit $100,000. Arthur Hayes, on the other hand, is not the sole individual in the area making audacious price forecasts for cryptocurrency. Famous for her optimistic perspective on cryptocurrency, Cathie Wood, the CEO of Hack Invest, foresees a remarkable surge in the crypto industry over the next 5 to 7 years. She anticipates that the market cap will skyrocket from $1 trillion to an astounding $25 trillion. In addition, it is noteworthy that Hack ETF's 21 shares recently made amendments to their spot Ethereum ETF filing on February 7. This comes after their successful approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Cathie Wood predicts that the price of ETH will reach $166k USD by 2032, and its market cap will surpass 20 trillion. Just to give you an idea, the current market cap of Bitcoin is slightly over 1.3 trillion. She strongly believes that Ethereum is instrumental in transforming the finance sector with its DeFi and NFT ecosystem. In analysis, she suggests that Ethereum may have the potential to outperform Bitcoin in the long term. She views Ethereum not only as a digital currency, but also a platform that could shape a decentralized future in finance. And that concludes this video. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to Crypto Daily Hub for more great crypto content. See you on the next one.